Hi guys, this is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. So today is 3rd May and I have a shoot today. So I'm on my way to the location. So I'm shooting for Meher, who's a senior in my college, and we keep on doing these kind of collaborations. You know, like the best part about having friends in college and such a college is that you make contacts and you work for each other. So it works on collaboration basis. So wherever you go, make friends, and definitely you're gonna help each other in a lot of ways in life. So I am on my way to the shoot location. So we're shooting around near civil lines in Delhi. So let's go and see how it is. You guys, it's more like a trek. For today, we're done with, we did 3 looks and now we're trying to come out this jungle. Over everybody. So we finally got done with all the 3 looks and the temperature was 37 degrees and I am dead. And when I say that I'm dead, I literally mean it. Hi you guys, I'm heading towards an event which is in Hudson Lane. So it's a launch party of a really nice restaurant which is called Bo Me, and I'm going there and I hope that it'll be fun. I am super excited, so I'm gonna take you guys over there. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm back from the event and वहाँ पे ज़्यादा कुछ दिखाने को नहीं था. It was just a restaurant where we were just having food and drinks. So but it was nice, it was beautiful. I clicked a lot of pictures. They will be up on Instagram. And what else? So now right now the time is 11:30 and I'm just gonna get myself changed, remove the makeup and off to sleep, because tomorrow I have another busy day. Just like today, I have to go to gym in the morning, then I have to go to college, then I have to go for my shoot, then I have to go to a friend's birthday party, and then at the night I have to go to a function with family. So that it's gonna be a hectic day again. And if you like me you know, shooting my days, let me know in the comment section below and I can do a series like days, like a day in my life or something. This sort of video, I enjoyed doing that, you know, like filming the whole day. Whatever you're doing was such a great fun, so I can do that more often. But you guys have to let me know in the comment section below, so please do. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time in another video. Till then, stay tuned. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Bye.